everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I so appreciate it. So I have here the large crystal, not crystal, live edge tray mold from Pouring Your Heart Out. It's been used quite a bit and it's lost its sheen a little, so because I've used it so much. So I am going to attempt sort of a beach scene. And what I think I'll do is tell you, so I've got ArtPro here. It was just some resin I'm just using. It doesn't matter because I'm not doing a bloom or anything. And I'm going to use some sand, some seashells, and abalone, and then it's a several part step. So on the first one, I thought I would just sort of show you in a time lapse that's not too fast, and then you can decide how much or how little you'd like to see. And then I'll come back to you when I've done sort of the beach scene first. Okay? Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've kind of done a pattern. Now, I may be doing this too soon because I'm so impatient, but I want to try this. So I saw this pattern on Instagram, and it was done on an acrylic disc. I'm doing it in a mold, so I thought it was really cool. So let's see, I'm trying to make a curve here, and I hope because I don't want to waste my 9 ounces of resin. Oh my gosh, Callie, you didn't need that much, girl. So anyway, I'm going to just keep doing this, and you'll see kind of what I'm trying to accomplish. And as I said, it's a several step layer. And I thought this mold would be really cool instead of the acrylic disc, you know? So I think that's really sweet. So it's going to be a lot of blank spaces, but okay, I think, whoops. So it's kind of like that. Okay, let's see, maybe spread out a bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna play with this, and then I'm gonna pour a layer of my resin that I have left over, and I'll do that to a time lapse. Okay, so the next step is I've used Mod Podge, Golden High Flow water, and Dawn soap. And I've mixed it up in a cup, and the recipe is something that I purchased online for $6. I'm now blowing into the cup to create bubbles. So I found this technique on Pinterest, and the person who created it has a website, and you can purchase the formula or the ingredients for $6 on how to use this Mod Podge combination. So after I blew the bubbles, as you saw, I took from the top the big bubbles, and then now in the bottom or the lower part of the cup, there are the smaller bubbles. And with my stick, I am gently scooping up some of those quote-unquote cells, and or rather seafoam, and placing it as artistically as I can on the rest on the beach scene. So hopefully it turns out or looks good or kind of looks natural. It's really fun, this technique. And then once I'm done with this, you'll see the next step. So excuse the silence till the next clip, because I don't know how to add music to a voiceover. Okay, catch you in the next clip. Okay, so that seafoam has sort of dried, that Mod Podge. So now I'm going to take UV resin and just sort of brush over it as gently as possible, because this membrane is still very soft to the touch. So I'll do that oops, that went over there, real carefully. So I tried to do it as artistically and realistically as possible, of like, you know, the ocean foam coming into the sand. So this is not the sort of traditional ocean pour, but a sea foam. I just love the cells. I might have to try this in a, you know, in an ocean pour, in the sense of like seeing what it would look like, because supposedly you can do this Mod Podge combination, scoop up the bubbles, put it on a silicone mat, and then when it dries, take it off and then place it where you want it. So that might be a project I want to try later on. So let me think. I just don't know if I should do a section. Maybe I should. See how it moved a little bit? So I do want to protect it. So I'm just gonna do a layer here. And what I'll do is do this section right here. So I will continue to UV resin, you know, the rest of it. And then one other thing is that, and I'll do it off camera, is I'm going to add some more of those blue crystals here, just to maybe add a little more color to the blank space. And then I will show you the reveal. I really would like to know what you think of that seafoam, whether it looks cool or not, you like it or not. I mean, I'm sure there'll be different, you know, varying opinions, but it'll be really cool to know. All right, I'll see you for the reveal. Okay, so I've removed it from the mold so that I can give you a reveal. This is the back side. So after the UV resin dried, I placed a layer of clear resin on top. So, hope you like my design of kind of a wave, but the emphasis is practicing on the sea foam. Oh, kind of cool. I'll take you in for a close-up, and I would really love to know what you guys think. There you go. I'll move it a little bit more. This kind of sea foamish scene. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.